quick tip is if your hands start to get numb, but you cannot change the place of the grip your hands in. Do it like this. I'm running from the rain, so you cannot hold it different. Let me show you. Instead of holding like this, you hold only with the 2 fingers. So this way the blood will go through and you still can and you still can hold your bicycle in a safe way. That's a quick one. I arrive and the rain is coming. I rode a lot. Today I went for a quick ride to show you a beautiful sunny day, but it's rainy. Happens. Hope you like it. Thumbs up. That's a very quick one. I just learned, you know, it's very nice because you hold it like this and your hand stays straight. See? No hustle. Because usually I keep moving, you know. But since I was going too fast, it was dangerous not having the brakes near me. Okay, so I hope you like it. If you didn't sign up, please do. Bom dia. You're going to get rain. Bye-bye. Let's get out of the rain. Well, I did get some raindrops, but I'm safe now. I was gonna show you, you know, like a beautiful sunshine. Sorry. Well, that's the quick tip for today. Hope you like it. If you did, thumbs up. And if you didn't sign yet, please do. Nice to have you on board. Bye-bye.